everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something truly groundbreaking to talk about. The Laserpacker LX1 Max, the artist package. The LX1 Max is the world's best foldable multifunctional laser engraver and cutter. First, let me show you the unboxing and the easy assembly process. Let's get started. Once you open the box, inside the artist package, you will find a user manual, an artist model, a 2-watt infrared laser, a pair of safety goggles, a power block, a small material pack, an AC cord, a 20-watt laser model, the LX1 Max frame, USB cables, and finally a USB to USB cable and a screwdriver. I have been putting this bad boy through its paces, and let me tell you, it's an absolute game changer for creators and makers. Let me show you some of the projects that I have made with the LX1 Max, and then we will dive into the details. off, let's talk about the design. The LaserPacker LX1 Max boasts a simple folding frame. Just lift and turn, and you are ready to go. No assembly required as you saw earlier. And it opens instantly to a 90-degree angle. The convenience doesn't stop there. It's also designed for easy storage, perfect for those tight spaces. With a generous 400mm by 800mm working area, the LX1 Max provides ample space for your creative projects. What really sets it apart are 4 tool models available. You can choose from a 20W 450nm blue laser, a 10W 450nm blue laser, a 2W 1064nm infrared laser, or the artist model. Mix and match these models to suit your specific creative needs. Let's dive deeper into the laser models. The 20W 450nm blue laser is perfect for engraving on a variety of materials like wood, bamboo, leather, and even coated metal. Meanwhile, the 2W 1064nm infrared lasers opens up a new world, allowing you to engrave on metals like gold, silver, and titanium. And then there is the artist model, enabling effortless drawing compatibility for various pens and drawing implements. Now, let's talk about its powerful cutting ability. The LX1 Max effortlessly cuts through up to 15mm of solid wood and 10mm of acrylic, providing you with a more precise cutting options. And when it comes to engraving, the 4K ultrafine engraving with an accuracy of 0.01mm ensures photorealistic results. The engraving speed is adjustable, ranging from 1mm per second to an astonishing 200mm per second. And the preview speed is equally impressive at 200mm per second. If you are into batch work, the precision positioning features makes it easy, fast, and efficient. Plus, the LX1 Max boasts a longer service life thanks to its dust sheets that help avoid internal wear and tear. The integrated air pump with a brushless motor not only keeps noise levels low but also ensures efficient cooling. The unique air duct design blows away dust during operation, improving cutting and engraving effectiveness. Speaking of accuracy, the LX1 Max provides highly accurate repeat positioning with a precision of less than 0.01mm, using a red crosslight for added precision. Maintenance is made easy with grease nozzle, allowing you to lubricate moving parts and decrease friction. And when it comes to safety, the LaserPacker has you covered. The emergency stop button holds the laser instantly, and the built-in buzzer alarms automatically shuts it down if internal temperatures exceed 50 degrees Celsius, or if a tilt of over 15 degrees is detected. Now, let's talk about the user interface. The LaserPacker mobile app is a powerhouse, featuring a community, tutorial videos, featured projects, and clip art. It supports various platforms, including Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS via USB or optional Bluetooth dongle. You can also use LaserPacker Design Space and Lightburn for additional design options. In conclusion, the LaserPacker LX1 Max is a true innovation in the world of laser engraving. Its foldable design, modular functionality, powerful cutting abilities, and user-friendly interface make it a must-have for creators of all levels. If you are serious about taking your projects to the next level, the LX1 Max is the tool you have been waiting for. Be sure to visit the official LaserPacker YouTube channel to find out more about their products. The links for the product is in the description with a 10% discount code using Robin10 at checkout. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy creating!